Well, hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm gonna be showing you how to make use of Bitcore on SatoWallet app. Well, the app is divided. It has three versions, and there is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and there is the PC version. And okay, let's visit the website and see SatoWallet account. Right here, this is the Play Store, App Store, and PC. And I've already installed the PC one and I've already signed in. So we're gonna use the PC one because they kind of have the same interface, all the apps. So here's the PC one. All you need to do is just download and sign in with an email address and set up your password. And this Google Auth is a Google Authenticator. Is another layer of security to make sure your funds are safe. And this is the amount I have in my wallet. It's in USD. Well, these are the list of coins on the app. So we're gonna use Bitcore. Okay, Bitcore is right here, and Bitcore is equal to is equivalent to one Bitcoin is equivalent to 0.9 USD. So and we can search Bitcore from here, from the search bar. Bitcore. Okay, you can click on Bitcore here. But this BTX here is the amount of Bitcoin I have in my wallet, and this is the equivalent amount in USD. So if you want to send Bitcoin coin to a friend, just click the send button, send, and then type in their address. This is not a real address, it's just an example, and then the amount you want to send. Okay, this is the equivalent amount in dollar, and this is the fee deducted, and with the equivalent amount too. So if you want to reduce the amount, you can decrease the amount. You can just click there, and if you want to increase it, click here. Well, then you can see something as your transaction comment. Maybe say hey, and then click transfer to begin your transfer. And to receive, if you want to receive, then the person you are receiving from have to actually scan this barcode or use this address. This is your address. Okay, and this is pretty much about sending and receiving. So let's move to swap coins. Okay, this is auto exchange from currency to currency and amount to swap. So because we are using Bitcoin, we are going to choose Bitcoin. Let's choose coin. Okay, yeah, here's Bitcoin. Okay, and then we're going to choose another coin just to make an example. Okay, choose this ABJ coin commerce. Okay, and amount to swap, let's say 24. Okay, amount exceeds your balance because right now this amount exceeds my Bitcoin balance. So if you want to reduce the amount, you can just click here. Okay, and that text has disappeared and the swap coins button has actually showed up. So and one Bitcoin is equivalent to 0.9 USD. One Bitcoin is also equivalent to 13.8 ABJ coin commerce. Okay, this is pretty much about coin swap, and then let's go to exchange. Well, this is the market, and these are the coins available for exchange. Or you can search Bitcore right here, BTX. Okay, Bitcoin and Bitcore. Okay, this is the bid and these are the ask. Well, this is the list of trade history that happens today on SatoWallet, and this list changes every day. Every 24 hours the list refreshes, and wow, it's huge. And the amount, this is the buying section and this is the selling section. So here you're going to type in the amount you want to buy. Let's say 23, and this 23 is actually 20.8 USD, and BTC price, type it and it will show up in dollar too. Okay, then type some. This is just an example. Well, if you want to buy, you click buy, and if you want to sell, you click on this. Well, clicking on either of these buttons, then you're actually making an order. So you go to my orders, and your order will show up right here. And if you don't want to continue your order, you can just cancel. There will be a cancel button right here. And if you want to make another order, you can go back to trade and make another order. Well, this is the history between trade history between BTC and BTX. These are the type, the price, and the amounts. These are the buys and sells. Okay, let's move to currency. Okay, I'm using USD, so I'm going to show you how to change currency from one currency to another. My fiat currency now is USD, so I'm going to show you how to change to another currency. It's a long list, so you just have to choose the one you want to use. Okay, let's choose this one, CNYS, Chinese yuan. Okay, I'm going to take some seconds to change. Yes, currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins. Okay, you see before here it was USD and now it's CNY, Chinese yuan, because I changed my fiat currency. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial and I really hope you enjoyed it.